Hi YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and welcome back to our channel. Today we're back doing some kitchen renovation, but before we get started, I wanted to thank all of our new YouTube family members who subscribed to our channel yesterday. We mentioned in yesterday's episode that YouTube analytics are telling us that about 40% of our viewers who watch our videos anyways are not subscribed. You're watching the videos anyways. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Officially join our YouTube family. It is free. You're watching it anyways. Click the button. Be part of our YouTube family. Thank you so much for everyone who is new to our channel, and we welcome you to our YouTube family. Okay, today we're in the best mood ever. I'm sure you can see that today I'm just glowing with happiness and excitement. Not only that we're gonna continue working on the kitchen, but we got great news today that I thought that I would share with you as something's been stressing me out. So it's off my shoulders and I can kind of just breathe again. But many of you know, if you read my book or if you've watched our channel for a long time, I had melanoma back after I carried the boys. It was a terrible time. It wasn't the best news you ever want to get when you have a 22-month-old and a newborn. It was just devastating news for us. I had some surgeries and had it removed, and I ended up getting a few more spots taken off several years later, was followed through with a cancer center. Luckily, I've been cancer-free for about 7 years now, which is incredible, and I celebrate it every year that Facebook reminds me that that was the date. But today, we got news that a biopsy that I just went for a couple of weeks ago came back completely fine. So we are so excited. We just kind of had a little bit of like a, oh no, like a little bit of a scare, but it's good. I'm all good. I was really in tune with what my body was showing me. So good thing I got it checked out and now I don't have to worry. So yay. I don't even know what to say other than I'm just so excited. It's so great when you get the news that there isn't anything that's crept back. So we can keep moving on and the stress can be behind us now. So today is Thursday. Saturday is the reveal for the kitchen. So we have a little bit more work to do to get ready for that. So set your reminders for Saturday. We're gonna be showing you the final look of the kitchen and show you start to finish just how far we have come with this space. So we better get to work.
When we had the electrician in, because this room wasn't even a kitchen before, it didn't have any outlets for the stove, it didn't have anything for the fan, it didn't have any outlets where we wanted them to be. We had to cut out a section in the wall, but we cut it out really good, so it just fits back in.
That was perfect. I was like, if I don't destroy this, we won't have to buy any drywall and we won't have to really figure out how to cut the shapes.
We really were thinking when we were building this kitchen and this room that
every few dollars from every small thing like this would have been, we would have had to buy a whole sheet of drywall just for this spot.
Right.
It would have cut into the very small budget that we had. I was reading our YouTube comments from yesterday's video, and sometimes I think because we're working in this space that I forget really how much we've been able to accomplish. And I know that doing a kitchen under $5,000 is a huge accomplishment as it is, but we've actually been able to do 4 rooms, as mentioned by some of our YouTube family members, with that budget.
Yeah.
We have everything we already need here to finish: the pantry, laundry room, so that's 2 spaces for the renovation, the kitchen, and we've been able to do this eat-in dining room.
Whatever you see in your heart line, blame it on me, I don't mind. Whatever it is will be fine.
Oh wow, I just had like, on your phone, this was like the weirdest interview ever of a dream that I had.
Of us painting?
In this exact same spot.
Wow, you read this boring. I'm so sorry. Sometimes my deja vus are amazing. Your deja vus are us painting? Like this is what we're doing in another life somewhere? Like, wow.
Aw, I wouldn't want to be anywhere other than here with you right now. Okay, maybe you're doing something a little more exciting than using spackling and white paint.
Right? Oh, deja vu.
Oh.
I love you.
Wow, that always feels so weird when you get deja vu like that.
Yeah. Do you think it's because we're on the right path? Or do you think it's not? It's because we're on the wrong path.
I'm not sure. You didn't tell me that much information.
There was none.
Whatever it is, we'll be fine. Give it to me, I don't mind.
I'm not sure if you can see on the camera here, but there are a couple of screws that are temporarily put up where the tile overhung on the windows there. And he did that because we were cutting out the shapes that needed to go here. They were a little heavy here and I didn't want, once the mortar dried, for it to droop in the middle. So we put up these temporary screws. Philip had this great idea. So now I need to get them out now that everything is dry so that I can frame in the windows. These windows in the house, all of the windows were new, but they neglected to actually frame in. So you can see here, it's not really finished. And then on this side of the room, you can tell they're really not finished. But luckily for us, they were new windows. So I mean, huge savings on the budget for that, but we're gonna finish those up.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Some love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Some love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Some love, memory, washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Some love, remember.
Can you envision it?
Yeah, no, I can see it.
You think?
Yeah, no, I think.
Okay. The dogs know that the bus is coming. They're all standing at the fence there. I just heard the bus. They totally knew. The cuties. Oh, what a nice welcome party. I have to mark 2 1/4 inches so I know where it needs to stick out because I've divided it. You don't need to know my math.
Yeah, math problems.
225. So this is the edge of the. Hi! Your
Hi, guys.
your dog faces were all waiting for you. Did you see them? Give me 1 second. I'll come hug you. Yeah. How was your day? Oh, I forgot it's got to go over this part. See what I did? I just finished framing up the windows here. I need to do the caulking around them and paint them white, but I think they look so much better framed in. I think it's gonna look gorgeous once we get everything. Excuse me, trying to film a video here, Missy.
It rained yesterday.
It rained yesterday. Look at the window. Muddy paw prints.
You're not supposed to reveal that.
Aw, they're just chilling out there. Muddy paw prints. Okay, quiet on set, Bassett. I think it's gonna look gorgeous once it's all painted. Yeah, Atlas agrees.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 and
Well, after a lot of adjustments using some scrap pieces that used to be trim in this room before we did any of the renovation, I was able to cut it all and trim all along the top of the tile, down along the door frame here. We now have frames on the windows that have their first coats of primer on them. Did some more on the hood vent, got some more of the ceiling trim back up. I had to put it exactly where they already had it based on where the floorboards underneath are kind of positioned together, but that's gonna look so much better. So now I need to put in all of the wood filler and putty and caulking all the way around that so that that will be all seamed up and look like it was there originally. But what do you think? I think that looks great. Philip is still working on coats of the cabinet here, and I'm just about to get to these back windows. Another full day of working on the kitchen. We are really progressing along. Don't forget to set your reminders that Saturday is our huge kitchen reveal. Like start to finish, you're going to see every finished detail in this room. We're so excited to share it with you. Thank you so much for cheering me on. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we will see you tomorrow.